Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Malabar spinach. This is not your typical garden green, but it's such a joy to grow and eat, and this is one I think you'll really enjoy adding to your garden. Malabar spinach, or the official name is Bacilla alba, it's a lovely leafy vine, and it's not just easy to grow, but it's also a lot of fun. Malabar spinach thrives in a sunny location with well-draining soil. You can start this plant from seed or from cuttings, and it's going to need some sort of trellis to climb on. We plant our Malabar spinach on a cattle panel that is 16 feet wide that we've bent into an arch, and it covers this arch completely through the growing season, and it's absolutely beautiful. You're going to plant your seeds or cuttings about 6 to 12 inches apart, and you want to keep your soil moist until they germinate. But with Malabar spinach, it's really important not to overwater. It's not a fan of waterlogged roots. This beautiful plant will thrive through the heat of summer. It loves summer heat. So plant this one at the beginning of summer or in late spring and watch it thrive. It will go all the way through until your first frost. As you watch it grow, you're going to notice those vibrant heart-shaped leaves. That's what we're after. They're the perfect size to eat when they're about 4 to 6 inches in length, but I also like to harvest some of the larger leaves as well to use for lettuce wraps. They just make the perfect little wrap and they stay together well. Malabar spinach doesn't taste exactly like regular spinach, but it's definitely a tasty addition to your favorite recipes. You can use it in salads, stir fries, or even as a unique twist in your smoothies. If you want to visit our blog, I've got it linked in the description below. I've got a recipe in there for a Malabar spinach salad that I know you're going to love. So there you have it. There's your introduction to Malabar spinach. It's easy to grow, it offers a unique taste, and it adds a beautiful touch of green in the vertical spaces of your garden. Give it a try and let the adventure begin. Let me know what you think about this beautiful green. One more quick tip for you if you're going to grow Malabar spinach. You might notice that your plant produces some little purple berries. Now, these berries are gorgeous, but they don't really taste that great. And if you eat too many, they will definitely give you an upset stomach. But what these berries are great for is botanical dyes. They make a gorgeous purple color. So save your berries to make plant-based dye.